So I'm gonna be comparing two different skin tag removers. This is the Dr. Scholl's skin tag remover, and this is, I don't have the box for it because I lost it, but this is the Compound W freeze off skin tag remover. They're basically the same thing. They freeze off your skin tag, and then in a few weeks you'll notice it harden and get black, and then it fall off, or part of it will fall off. It just depends on how well you got the skin tag. I had to, on my big ones, I had to do it several times for both of them because it's hard to do it by yourself. Especially it depends on the position. If it's like somewhere like really easy here, then yeah, but it's like under your armpit or somewhere where you have to look in the mirror and see, and you only have one pair of hands, then yeah, it takes more than one time. But I'm gonna be comparing what I like and what I don't like about each one. This one, the Compound W, comes with these little wand things, and I feel like I like these better. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like these I'm able to get these more accurately on my skin tags, and it also comes with little band-aids that you can put around your skin tags so you don't get your like, you don't burn your skin by accident or anything, because that has happened to me, and it's like dark and it stays there. Like, you can still see I have some darkness from here, because the other one is like this. So the Dr. Scholl's is like this, and the plastic, it doesn't, like, when you it's like this little part that gets frozen, but the plastic also gets frozen when you put it in, and then when you're doing it, you're actually like, you're pushing it in so much that you can't even see if you're getting it accurately, correctly. And I know you're supposed to do it like this on the skin, like that, but doing that gets such a wide range of the skin that you have to do it at a certain angle just to get the little tip. So I feel like it doesn't cover it as well. It's like, it still does its job, but like when with my mother, she helped me and she accidentally burned my skin with this one. And we were like, oh my goodness. I didn't even notice it. Like, it burned, but I just thought it was burning the skin tag, not my actual, skin. Like, my skin, like, that's not my skin tag. So that's the only thing I have to say about this one, though. It did, like, part of it fell off. I feel like I needed something more, which is why I got this one. I forgot where the other tool is, but there's like another tool, and you basically put that on top, and then you put it face down. And this one's so much easier, and plus it has like the band-aid thing, so you're able to put it on your skin tag and grab. It'll just isolate the area from your skin tag from your skin. And I feel like this one, I got way better results. But at the end of the day, they both do their jobs. Just depends. I think this one's better for, like, not on the armpit, like maybe very small ones that you can do, that you can like see really cool, maybe around your neck. But I feel like the bigger ones, and that you need precise control, you definitely need the Compound W one. But they both do their thing, and they both fall around the same time. I think this one took a bigger chunk out than this one, because I said like it doesn't grab, it doesn't, like, you have like a V. like you cannot, like, if you can, I don't describe it. But like, this one's just like the application, I feel like, is so much more controllable and better. You just go directly from the tip, and you can get the tip. If you want to get it long ways, you can. Oh, this one, you're so limited, so sorry for me coughing. But overall, they're still good, but I would recommend fully more the Compound W than the Dr. Scholl's one. If they come out with a different type of application, like something similar to this, then yeah, the only thing I don't like about this, it only comes with 8 of these. I think it only comes with 8, I'm pretty sure. I wish it came out with more. I don't know if they sell one separately where you can buy more of these. I hopefully they can. I haven't looked into that, but that would be very helpful if it did. But I've tried both of them, and the results still are still the same. Like on the big ones, I think I had to do it twice with this one, and then with this, I burned my skin, but it still burned off the skin tag, but not as much as I wanted it to. You do it several times, and it's just, I think this is more easier to reach places and smaller ones, not for like the big ones. This one's more for like bigger skin tags. But overall, they're both great products. It just depends on the type of skin tag you have and what your needs are. And if you can do this yourself. If you can do this yourself, I feel like this can. It's just hard to put the bandage on. I'm not gonna lie, because they have like different sizes, like a small bandage, big one, medium, and a big skin tag bandage. So if it depends how your skin tag if it's easy to grab, then yeah. But if it's a little bit hard, you probably need another pair of hands to help guide you to make sure that skin tag is fully popped out and isolated, so you can put this on. Though I do wish this one, the Dr. Scholl's one, did have bandages too. It just sucks that they don't, because if it helped isolate, I feel like this would be much more reasonable and better. Because like even if you do touch it on your skin, it's not gonna get it's just gonna get the band-aid and not your skin. So overall, if I had to choose, I would choose Compound W. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, I it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon on your, if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to your, if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.